This is not a dramatic ruin. It is a heavy military vehicle that settled into soft ground decades ago, and the earth simply hardened around it.
This isn't extraction. This is excavation without digging. Patience will matter more than power. Before a single line goes tight,
The Sugga now sits level, contained, ready to move. This is
Meters out, I stop the pull. Check the spacing.
the last moment it belongs to the forest.
Check the angle. Everything sits where it should. Back on the switch, the Sugga crawls ahead, steady as a clock gear. Front tires climb. Halfway up, I pause. Frame rails are parallel. Portals clear.
Steel for the first time in decades. Steel's holding, clearance looks good, keep it centered. Halfway, pause, bumpers clear, hubs are strapped. Front, rear, cross, tension. Clear, bring it the rest.
Pulled tight enough to settle the suspension, not crush it. Nothing flaps, nothing shifts, nothing complains. The forest has had its time.
Tires hum now, smooth and even. Straps sing in low tension, but the old Volvo doesn't move, not an inch. Cars slip past, modern shapes catching a look before they're gone. I pull off, like always, because
Gates slide open. Tires hum on clean concrete now, not dirt. We stop, engine off, straps still tight, suspension settled, nothing shifted. Smaller indoors somehow, every dent...
Fuel on, ignition live, starter. That's it, hold steady. Good, let it learn.
Start with cleaning, compressed air, stiff brush, patience, dust and loose scale drop from the seams, and the body begins to speak. Chalk marks show where metal will be saved, not replaced.
Pick your tool and begin cleaning the seam. Use steady, controlled movements. Let the debris flush out. Avoid aggressive grinding to protect the surface. Apply the phosphoric base converter to the exposed steel. Use steady, even strokes to blend with the surrounding paint. Now, allow it to react and stabilize the oxidation. Avoid over-applying onto the intact paint. Apply the rust neutralizer to bare metal with a partial blend. Use steady, even strokes for complete coverage. Allow it to react, avoiding sound paint. This prepares the surface for paint. Wipe the surface thoroughly to remove residue. As you wipe, the surface begins to darken. After curing, ensure no product is on the tape. This prevents paint issues. Assembly begins. First, install the seals and glass. Next, reinstall the door hardware, starting with the latch. Secure the hinges with the appropriate tool.